I need to find a new way to say this is a quick and easy recipe that's delicious. But I didn't have enough time to ponder on it, so unfortunately, all I could say about this recipe is that it is quick, easy, and delicious. And most of the ingredients I used here I got at a Chinese supermarket on Charlotte Street. They're not sponsoring this content, so I'm not going to call them by name. Just know that I don't really like chicken wing and I can't sing to save my life. For this recipe we need 1 medium-sized green eggplant. You could use your regular eggplant, of course. 2 bundles of bok choy. You could substitute this for pak choy, regular pak choy. 2 boneless, skinless breasts, sliced and pre-seasoned. A few sprigs of cilantro. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes. 2 tablespoons of chopped cashews. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon of agave. I use agave because it's cheaper than honey, but if you have honey, feel free to use honey instead. 1 tablespoon of vetsin, also known as monosodium glutamate, fondly known as MSG. Before you go crazy in the comment section about how MSG is the greatest threat to mankind, I'm going to post an article in the video description that should address the MSG paranoia. Knowledge is power, and I'm here to empower you. So read the article and thank me later. To start off, you want to make sure the wok is hot. Add the sesame oil, add the chicken, add the garlic and ginger, and season with the vetsin and saute for about 5 minutes. You want to add the soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, and agave. Add the eggplant and saute for another 2 to 3 minutes. You want to add the chili flakes, add the bok choy and cilantro, and saute that for 30 seconds to 1 minute. You want to remove it from the heat and garnish it with some fresh cilantro, cashews, and some chili flakes. Now you could serve this over a bed of noodles or with some jasmine rice. That would be perfect. I really hope you try this recipe. And if you do, don't forget to take your pics and videos and share it with us on Instagram and Facebook. Of course, the full recipe will be posted on eatahfoodtt.com. If you like this recipe, give the video a thumbs up, give it a share, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Mm-hmm.